Here are 5 fascinating facts to blow your mind. 1. Octopus intelligence. 3 hearts. Octopuses have a fascinating circulatory system. 2 of their hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Interestingly, when an octopus swims, the heart that supplies blood to the body temporarily stops. This is thought to conserve energy for movement, problem solving, and tool use. Octopuses are some of the smartest invertebrates. They've been observed opening jars, creating shelters from coconut shells, and navigating mazes. In captivity, some have even escaped their tanks by opening latches or squeezing through tiny gaps. 2. Bananas are radioactive. Potassium-40. Bananas are rich in potassium, which is vital for muscle and nerve function. A small fraction of this potassium is the isotope potassium-40, which is radioactive. A single banana emits about 0.1 microsieverts of radiation, equivalent to the radiation you'd get from a 10-hour flight. Banana equivalent dose. Scientists sometimes use bananas as a quirky measure of radiation exposure. For example, living near a nuclear power plant might expose you to the same radiation as eating a few bananas. 3. The infinite pi. Non-repeating and infinite. Pi symbol, is an irrational number, meaning its decimal representation never ends and never repeats. So far, mathematicians have calculated it to over 62 trillion digits, but it still has no end. Patterns within pi. Because pi is infinite, it's believed that every possible sequence of numbers exists somewhere in its digits. This includes any combination of numbers, such as your phone number, your birthday, or even every possible code for a 4-digit lock. This makes pi not just a mathematical constant, but a sort of infinite library of numbers. 4. The Sahara Desert was once green. 6,000 years ago, during the African humid period, the Sahara was lush with vegetation, filled with lakes, and supported diverse wildlife. Archaeological evidence even shows human settlements in areas that are now barren. Cause of the transformation. This greening of the Sahara was due to shifts in the Earth's orbital tilt, which affected monsoon patterns, bringing more rain to the region. About 4,500 years ago, this shifted back, and the Sahara gradually turned into the vast desert we know today. 5. Your stomach lining regenerates every few days. Acidic environment. Your stomach produces hydrochloric acid, which is so strong that it could dissolve metal. This acid is essential for breaking down food, but would also damage your stomach if left unchecked. Self-healing mechanism. To protect itself, your stomach continuously produces a thick mucus layer that acts as a barrier. Additionally, the cells lining the stomach are replaced every 2 to 4 days, ensuring that damage from the acid is repaired before it becomes severe. This regeneration is a critical part of maintaining digestive health.